In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the dreaded Telegram error. This phone number is banned. If you've faced this issue, don't worry, I've got you covered with easy steps to recover your account or get a new one. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand why your account was banned. First, it's important to understand why Telegram might ban your phone number. Common reasons include 1. Spamming other users or groups. 2. Using third-party apps to access Telegram. 3. Sharing inappropriate or illegal content. 4. Getting reported by multiple users. Now that you know the potential reasons, let's move on to how you can fix this. Step 2. Contact Telegram support. To recover your banned account, the first step is to contact Telegram's support team. Follow these steps. 1. Open your browser and go to the Telegram support page. The link is https://telegram.org/support. 2. Click on Ask a question. In the form, explain your situation clearly and politely. Here's an example. Dear Telegram support, my phone number, insert your number, has been banned. I believe this may be a mistake. I kindly request you to review my account and lift the ban if possible. Thank you. After submitting your request, Telegram will usually respond within a few days. Be patient. Step 3. Use the in-app support feature. If you can still access Telegram on another device, you can use the in-app support feature. 1. Go to Settings, Help Ask a Question. 2. Write a detailed message explaining your issue. This method can speed up the process as your request is sent directly to Telegram. Step 4. Create a new Telegram account if recovery fails.